It's back and better than ever. It's the Gary Air Show 2015, Saturday and Sunday, July 11th and 12th at Gary's beautiful Marquette Park. See performances by the world-renowned Thunderbirds, Golden Knights, and a host of other exciting aviation acts. And it's all free. That's right, you heard me. It's all free. The Gary Air Show 2015, Saturday and Sunday, July 11th and 12th, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Marquette Park. For more information, visit gary-airshow.com. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter, #GaryAirShow15. We'll see you there.